things went really bad in the world, and you could only have one knife for the rest of your life, which knife would you choose? As the founder of Ultimate Survival Tips, I get asked that question all the time. Over the years, I've tested and reviewed hundreds of knives, but I never found that one knife that could do everything I wanted. So in early 2014, I started sketching, integrating elements from blades I loved, along with features that had never been seen before in one knife, like a micro survival kit in the handle, a 2-in-1 switchable nylon and Kydex sheath that's packed with features, and a rugged knife built for tough jobs with the finesse of a fine carving tool. It's called the MSK1 Multi-Scenario Knife. To build a knife like this, I knew I needed help, so I teamed up with knife legend Jeff Freeman, the award-winning designer of many iconic Gerber knives, like the 06 Auto and the LMF2 Survival Knife.
He tossed around some ideas, and he sent me some sketches for things that he wanted, and we just developed it from there. We said, okay, well, let's make a product together. And so he was able to tell me the things as a product designer that this product should do, and I was able to come up with solutions, present them to him, and he could test them in a real-world scenario.
Every MSK1 is fashioned from a single piece of 1/4 inch full tang steel that runs from piercing tip to rock crushing butt, making it one of the thickest and most durable blades you can buy. For the MSK1, we chose American-made, black oxide coated D2 semi-stainless high carbon steel because it's ridiculously tough, extremely wear resistant, and holds a razor sharp edge. The center-aligned clip point is exceptional for piercing, detailed tip carving, or precision drilling. When I conceptualized the MSK1, one of my major goals was to create a knife that combined the power of a full-size chopper with the finesse and fine cutting ability found mostly in smaller blades. We accomplished this by raising the blade spine, which effectively shifts the center of gravity forward just enough to make the MSK1 an incredible chopper, while the jimped thumb ramp increases knife control and directs thumb pressure toward the edge, making every cut precise and efficient. For more intricate cutting and carving tasks, the oversized choil allows you to safely grip the knife a fraction of an inch from the blade for incredible control. For handling, comfort, and grip, Jeff started with advanced ergonomic modeling software to ensure that the MSK1 handle was shaped to perfectly fit the human hand. We chose canvas micarta handle slabs because of their durability, natural feel, shock absorption, and comfort in cold and wet environments. Front and rear guards keep your hand in place while cutting, chopping, pounding, smashing, or breaking things using the MSK1 stout butt-end pummel. Marked with this fire symbol, our curved pummel-end fire steel striker gives you maximum leverage and the ability to generate and aim more sparks at your tinder than a straight edge for quicker, more efficient fire starting. For primitive fire generation, we've developed the first ever center balanced stainless steel bow drill divot that transforms your knife into a solid, low resistance hand socket that's reversible for right and left-handed users. With the handle slabs removed, 3 strategically placed lanyard holes make it easy to add your favorite paracord wrap or lash the MSK1 to a branch to make a spear. I remember when I was a kid and I got my first survival knife with a hollow handle and a survival kit inside. I felt like Rambo, even though the knife was terrible and the survival kit was mostly a gimmick. So my goal was to develop the first truly useful handle survival kit, including hard-to-improvise items that could actually help you stay alive in a survival situation. To do this, I worked with the team at Wazoo Survival Gear to develop a micro-survival kit for the MSK1 that includes items for fire starting, water collection and purification, fishing, traps and snares, navigation, repairing gear, and first aid.
I've designed a lot of fixed blades, and in this case, 3 or 4 rounds of prototypes, and I don't know how many months of testing. It's probably 50-50. We spend as much time on the knife as we have on the sheath. We didn't say, hey, that's good enough or that's fine. In this case, we just wanted to get it right.
The Switchback ACS Adaptable Carry System is the first sheath package that switches from a feature-rich black ballistic nylon sheath to a low-profile black Kydex sheath by removing a single bolt. Both sheaths have a generous array of grommet holes that are designed to fit optional add-on tools like the MSK1 fire steel holder and MSK Mini neck knife. Molly webbing on the front of the nylon sheath is designed to accept MSK1 kit pouches that are currently in development. Strap the MSK1 to any Molly compatible gear and carry the MSK1 in either the standard or drop leg positions.
Be able to take the whole thing all the way through from here's a sketch and some idea and here's a bunch of things I'd like it to do to actually this is what we're going to market with. I mean, that's pretty cool. I mean, it's a lot of work, but it also gives you a big sense of ownership.
As you can see, the MSK1 is much more than a tough, all-around survival knife. It's a complete survival system that you can use for your lifetime and then pass on to the next generation. Now we need your help. Your support will enable us to complete our first production run and hand-build each knife right here in America. Now I realize at the end of the day, this knife is not going to fit every budget. I really wish it did. But for those who make the investment, the MSK1 may be the single best survival purchase you ever make. If you'd like to be the first to get your hands on the MSK1 or other items like the MSK1 mini neck knife, please back this project, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for your support.
Podcast.